Hey examinees, good morning. Today we will talk about another percentage question. So for today we will calculate the base or the investment amount. But first, let's identify all the givens here. So we are looking for X, which is the original investment. And of course, the other givens is the rate. The rate here, represented by R, is considered 9 or given as 9.6%. And we have also the interest amount, which will be represented by I. The interest amount is also given here at 12,000. With that all given here, of course, we will create a formula X multiplied by rate equals to the interest. So again, investment times rate equals to interest. So we have the value here for rate, which is 9.6%. And also we have the value for interest, which is 12,000. So calculating the value of investment, of course, we need to isolate that by dividing the rate, both sides. So 9.6%. And we are left with X on the other side and 12,000 over 9.6%. So we cannot divide the amount with a percentage. So to remove the percentage, we need to move the decimal places to the left. So we have 12,000 over 0.096. That would give us a total amount of 12,000 divided by 0.096. That is 125,000. So the correct answer is letter C. But of course, we will not stop there. Let's check our formula if that is correct. Going back with our original equation, that would be X, which is the investment, times rate equals to the interest. So we have 125,000 times 9.6% equals to 12,000. So 125,000, again, moving out the decimal places 2 to the left. So that's 0.096 equals to 12,000. And we have 12,000 equals to 12,000. So our solution and our formula is correct.